Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is an honor to be presenter in this international conference on child education 2023. I'm Diausi Samsiana as a fourth author from Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. This title is Effort to Improve Motivation and Learning Achievement with the quiz theme Learning Model using flashcard media for Class 3 students of Sokaraja Lor State Elementary School, Sokaraja District, Banyumas Regency. And this is what my research has been looking at. Education is critical today in order to produce a superior and quality generation. The educational process will act in the transformation of a person into a better person. According to Undang-Undang Republik Indonesia Nomor 20 Tahun 2003, Pasal 1 Ayat 1 of the National Education System, education requires effort from an early stage that is capable of improving abilities in individuals so that they are in line with national education goals. Students' potential is developed through learning activities while studying. Efforts to develop student potential are made actively in order to achieve the best result. Motivation is one of the factors required for students to participate in interactive learning activities. Harhab et al. Explain in their book, Buku Ajar, Belajar and Pembelajaran dan Pembelajaran, that learning motivation is all the force that move the cycle within the individual, resulting in learning activities, ensuring the continuity of learning activities, and directing learning activities to achieve goals. Students will be more enthusiastic about all activities, including learning activities, if they are motivated. Students will experience change in their attitude, knowledge, and skill as a result of the educational process. Learning achievement is the end result of the educational process. Learning achievement is typically measured numerically through teacher evaluation, according to Izati, Irisa, and Setiawati. Learning achievement is very important to study because it can be useful for 1. Knowing the level of student understand of the material that has been delivered by the teacher. 2. Knowing student abilities, interests, and talents, as well as how student action toward learning activities. And 3. Determining the level of development and alignment of student learning outcomes or achievements with established standard and compass. According to research conducted by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, in its study Untitled Programmer for International Student Assessment or PISA, students' reading and mathematics scores in Indonesia obtain lower score than the average grade. Students from other countries in the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development or OECD. Research conducted by Tambalo et al. In their research Untitled. Meningkatkan motivasi belajar siswa kelas 4 sekolah dasar Inpres 2 Kasimbar melalui metode tanya jawab pada mata pelajaran PKN found that students have low learning motivation based on their activities during the learning process. Among them, 21.43% of students are less interested in the topic of the material being discussed. 4.28% of students did not focus on the topic of the study, and 85% of students did not actively ask questions. 78% of students code routes together properly, 64% of students were less enthusiastic about learning and did not make the most of their time. The data obtained from observation and interviews at Sekolah Jalur Publik in elementary school show that students are less active and enthusiastic during the learning process, namely learning interaction are still dominated by the teacher, and students do not dare to ask questions or express opinion. Students are busy playing when learning takes place, and some students still struggle to work on the question given by the teacher. Based on the learning motivation indicator, it is possible to conclude that students struggle with learning motivation. The problem of learning motivation discussed above is linked to student achievement data in the mid-semester assessment and final semester assessment in the following table. The table of data for the 2021-2022 academic year's mid-semester assessment and final semester assessment shows that Class 3 students have not yet achieved mastery in mathematics subjects in semesters 1 and 2, and they have not achieved complete learning in the Indonesian language subject in the semester. Researchers hope to address these issues by developing solutions to improve the motivation and learning achievement of Class 3 students at Sokaraja Lor State Elementary School in the Sokaraja District, Banyumas Regency. To overcome this, apply the quiz team learning model. According to SAPTA, quiz teams are a type of active learning model that has the function of creating pleasant learning conditions, making students active in asking questions and opinions, and developing a responsible character. The quiz team learning model can assist teachers in creating enjoyable learning environments for their students because each learning model has advantage and disadvantage. Learning media can help make the application of learning models more effective. To fully utilize the quiz team learning model, learning media is required. Flashcard media will be used as a learning tool in this study. According to Nulanda, in Febrianto and Yanto, flashcards are a very simple media to use because they can be created by both the teacher and the student. In the form of picture, flashcard media provide a visual image that help students remember and understand the material more effectively. The use of flashcard media can aid in the resolution of learning problems. The researchers' decision to conduct research using the quiz team learning model and flashcard media is fostered by the student low motivation and learning achievement. The purpose of this study is to demonstrate that using the quiz team model with flashcard media can boost student motivation and achievement in STEM at Praja Muda Karana, specifically mathematics and Indonesian, in Class 3 at Sokaraja Lor State Elementary School in Sokaraja District, Banyumas Regency. Classroom action research is the research method used in this study. Several parties were involved in the implementation of this research, including teachers and observers. Interviews, observation, writing tests, observation sheet of teacher and student activities, and student motivation questionnaires were used as data collection technique. The classroom action research model is used in the implementation of the research. according to Kamis and MC Taggart. The classroom action research cycle includes steps such as planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. This is classroom action research was conducted in 2 cycles. Its cycle consists of 2 meetings. The result of this research is first, increasing student learning motivation. Table 2 show that student learning motivation has improved. Cycle 1 received an average score of 3.32, indicating that met the very good criteria. Cycle 2 improved, resulting in an average score of 3.51, which is classified as very good criteria. The use of the quiz team learning model with flashcard media can increase student learning motivation, as can the use of the quiz team learning model without flashcard media. The first cycle is being implemented in learning activities. Students appeared enthusiastic despite the fact that they were initially confused about learning activities with the quiz team learning model using flashcard media, and thus required direction and guidance from the teacher. There was an increase in cycle 2 because students already understood how to implement learning activities with the quiz team learning model using flashcard media. Student learning motivation increased in cycle 2 as a result of their enthusiasm when learning using the quiz team model with flashcard media, as evidenced by the large number of students who raised their hand to answer questions from the teacher. Students also appeared diligent to working on the evaluation question given at the end of learning. Cycle 2 student motivation is very high. Andriani and Muntohar explain in their book Problematic of Student Development that high learning motivation in students can be seen in their diligent learning activities and refusal to give up when faced with difficulties in achieving their goals. Another factor is to provide encouragement at the start of the learning process by doing icebreaker, singing song, and shouting encouragement. Another helpful factor is to give out flashcard is picture card to the best student and supergroup. Second, improvement of student learning achievement. The acquisition of student learning achievement can be seen in Table 3 and Figure 1, indicating an increase in student learning achievement. The average value obtained in the first cycle was 69.46, and the average value obtained in the second cycle was 78.93. The total number of the students who completed the first cycle is 22, while the total number of students who completed the second cycle is 26. The cycle 2 of the percent of completed learning reached 66%, which is classified as Safian criteria, and in cycle 2 it reached 78%, which is classified as good criteria. Learning accomplishment is relevant to learning activities. According to Masroah, Wiarsi, and Irawan, both internal and external factors can influence student achievement. Internal factors such as student motivation, interest, and attention during teaching and learning activities. Student motivation, interest, and attention will all have an impact on their ability to comprehend the material. External factors, specifically the school environment, such as teacher ability to teach. The researcher conclude that one of the factors that can influence student achievement is students' learning motivation. Learning motivation has an impact on learning achievement. The best group in cycle 1 and 2 is reward, which result in high student learning motivation. Student achievement increase in cycle 2 as a result of increased student motivation, which include in reward award of the best student and the best group, so that student complicated. To answer question, teacher, the following conclusion can be drawn from the research that West conduct into cycle in an effort to increase student motivation and achievement by using the quiz team learning model with flashcard media for class 3 students at Sokaraja Lor State Elementary School. First, the quiz team learning model which employs flashcard media can boost student learning motivation. The study findings revealed an increase in the average score obtained from data from student learning motivation questionnaires in cycle 1 and 2, which is classified as very good criteria. Second, the quiz team learning model, which relies on flashcard media, can influence an increase in student achievement. The study's findings show that there is an increase in learning achievement in cycles 1 and 2, which is considered sufficient criteria in cycle 1 and classified as good in cycle 2. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.